As I mentioned in one of our other videos, when giving directions, I'm going to show you guys how to get to the cafeteria in University Hospital, which is down that way. Just to orient you again, that's the clinical skills building across from me. This is the main breezeway, that's the Holly Auditorium, and that's the Alt-C right here at the UT Health Police Station desk. And then that's also the office of the bursar if you have like tuition or scholarship questions or something like that. You can come down here and ask that. Okay, and that's the office of the dean behind us. I've never had reason to get that way, but maybe you do. Elevators and University Hospital on our way. Okay, this side of the building, there's a lot of offices. It can be kind of confusing. Occasionally, you might have like an organization meeting that you'll have to take those elevators down to some of the larger like lecture halls that are down below. They usually just post signs. I know, for example, the Student Government Association meetings are usually down there. And if they didn't post signs with directions, I probably wouldn't know where I was going either. Okay, there's our Alt-C again. A closer view. There is a badge scan on the outside of the Alt-C. So if you are trying to get in there, make sure you have your badge on you. Or you have a trusty friend, I guess. Okay, so you're gonna come down this long hallway and you're gonna feel like kind of confused. And you're gonna be like, I have no idea where I'm going. I thought I was headed to the hospital. Don't worry, you still are. Passing the office for research, a bunch of anesthesiology, all sorts of things. Keep going, a bunch of weird fridges. I wish I could tell you what was down that way. I cannot. Frankly, I know how to get to like 10 places, and I'm pretty sure I've made a video of all of those for you guys, so hopefully that helps. Yay, you're gonna see the sign that says University Hospital, and you're gonna be like, oh my gosh, I've actually made it. Almost. The doors are gonna open. Medical School 1-5 is technically the door. I don't know where they write any of those numbers down, so that may be on a map somewhere. This is a little shared courtyard you can eat lunch in with like the university and also with the hospital. So if you have a hankering for some sunshine and you're tired of being locked inside, that's always a good option. So here we are at University Hospital. You're gonna see this sign here that says like cafeteria, level 3, and that we're in the Rio Tower. Super helpful. The directions I find are much better in the hospital than they are within the school. Okay. We're on level 3 right here. Okay. And again, this is elevators D in the Rio Tower. All right, and you've got again like a little Rio Tower directional sign that can be helpful if you're looking for something in the hospital. Now we're gonna hop on the elevator.